Hello guys, this is Deals and Reviews. Today I'm gonna do the review on brushless speed impact wrench. It's DCF899. Just in case if you like it or looking for one of the best produced. This thing is so powerful. It's a monster. It's pretty heavy. I'll say about 6-7 pounds easily. It has 3 different speeds. That's one. I think the battery is dying too. That's one. And that's 2. This thing is powerful. I usually use 2 to get the lug nut loosened. And if you have to, you can go to 3. But it's good enough. 2 is fast enough to take the lug nut out. Unless it's rusted, then I'll go to 3. So this is brushless, and the model is DCF899. This by far has the best reviews. A lot of people using this. I've used it twice already, and I did the job in 30 minutes, changing the pads and stuff on the car. So I love this, and look out for more videos that I posted for all of this. And if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe so I can post more videos. Alright, thank you.